recently and TikTok is very fun. I saw people trying to dress up as Effy Stonem and I was thinking, that's quite fun. I want to do that. If you don't know who Effy Stonem is, you're probably young or probably not British. But Effy Stonem was a character from a series called Skins and she was very much loved. She had a unique style and I have always wanted to be her. So why don't I just be her? What's stopping me? What's stopping me? For a little bit of a background, this is what I tend to wear. This is my sort of style. Well, actually, I don't really have a style. I just literally kind of wear what I fancy. I don't have a set style. I really wish I did. I don't know how people have set styles. There is currently a storm called Storm Dennis. Really bad storm. Like, really bad. Oh my god, I've just realised. I've got to drive. Effy didn't really dress for the weather. She didn't really wear that many warm clothes. So I'm going to cheat the system a bit. So I've got my boyfriend's jumper on. She liked to wear oversized t-shirts. I was going to wear an oversized t-shirt, but I looked outside and I was like, Amelia, it is too cold. You will get hypothermia. I thought, okay, baggy jumper. But now I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, oh, a bit of Ariana Grande vibes. So I matched it with fishnet tights. Yes, this is very short. Another thing Effy Stonem would do was wear an insane amount of jewellery. One thing I really do not wear at all is jewellery. I have a few earrings, I have a ring, I have a nose ring. That is kind of it. I have a few necklaces, but I never wear necklaces. Might see if I can go out and buy some jewellery. I'm gonna put some makeup on. How did Effy do her makeup? Let's have a look. I don't think I'll commit to the makeup every day, we shall see, but because I'm doing a bit more Ariana Grande on the old jumper, I think I'm gonna do the makeup. Also, I don't have Effy Stonem's blue eyes, so I don't know, there's something about whenever I put eyeliner on my eyes go so small. Like, eyeliner is just not a good look on my eyes, but you know. See, I wouldn't quite say this is a look, but then again, I am crap at makeup. Maybe if I was able to actually do makeup, I wouldn't look so bad. So, this is what I'm wearing. Got my DMs. Feeling good, feeling good, feeling good. I feel like Effy. I've got to go do my weekly shop and yeah, Storm Dennis has been about, so it's very, very cold and wet. Oh, I really do not like myself with this eyeliner. It's alright, I will work with it. Yeah, I'm wearing odd socks by the way, but I feel like she probably would do something like that. Guys, I'm so cold and I feel so awkward, just like... Hello, so I am at my mum's and dad's, but I thought I'd show you what I am wearing. Not so sure, I think the makeup is a little less Effy and a little bit more like, I don't know, it's just probably, I think it's too, don't know, don't feel like Effy today. I might tie my hair back because she used to have like a quiff, didn't she? So I've been trying to film all day and I've realised I'm not certain if I got a really good picture, but this is what I wore today with DMs. I feel like actually it's a bit too smart for Effy. I've just done this without the blazer. I was wear a top like this and jeans like this. I'm now going to the gym with my makeup like this. I don't know if you can see. I have a meeting in London today, so I guess they're just going to assume that this is my style and I guess I'm just going to go with it. Looking a bit cold, so I might have to layer this up, maybe put a jumper on underneath. Yeah, I'm going, so I went for like a baggy denim jumper. Yeah, I feel like this is kind of Effy. I feel like I could see her wearing this. Also got the Effy makeup on. A little bit softer today. I'm quite happy with that. So it's very wet. So major regret on what I'm wearing. Can you see? Oh, you can't probably see. I also realised I haven't been wearing a lot of jewellery, and that is something Effy always does wear. So I'm going to London for my meeting, so maybe after I might have a look and see if I can find some like necklacey bits, because that's what she likes. So I have my meeting. It's very cold in London. I really should have worn a coat, but I feel like I've never seen Effy wear a coat. But yeah, it was all good, didn't feel too conscious. I tried to look for some like necklaces, but expensive. And I know I'm probably not going to wear them again after the Effy thing. I'm on my way home now. Oh, I look worse for wear. This thing about eyeliner. It's very cold. I'm already worrying about what I'm going to wear tomorrow. I feel like I've ran out of Effy clothes and I don't even feel like they're that Effy-ish. So, oh, why is it so blue? So Effy is a big fan of oversized flannel shirts. Thankfully, I have a boyfriend who, in my opinion, is oversized, so I could wear his shirt. And this is a no makeup day. I've just been finishing the deadline. Haven't been out at all, so I thought I'd go for one of Effy's casual looks. So I'll show you what I wore. Oversized white t-shirt, baggy jeans. Do feel very nice wearing this. I feel quite bad though, because it's supposed to be like all cash, and I'm wearing my boyfriend's Fred Perry shirt. I also like tied my hair up, and like she sometimes has like bits of hair loose and stuff, but somehow she makes that look good. So today I'm back to more like Effy gives a bit more effort. Oh my god, look at my hair, that's funny. I'm going to Nikki's and Sammy's house today. I realised, so the whole thing about this, I wasn't going to buy any clothes for this video because that's bad for the environment and bad for my wallet. So I've been trying to use clothes that I have at home, and I feel like I haven't been as successful as I wanted, but I still feel like I've pulled it off a little bit. I mean, I'm just assuming Effy always filmed in summer because I never see her wear like jumpers or anything. So I've got this like mesh jumpery top. I've got a denim skirt. Then I've got fishnets. So I am makeup ready. I'm wearing a coat. It's just so cold. I did the eyeliner, so I committed in that sense. Yeah. We are now going to Nikki and Sammy's. Hi, Pete.
So.
Hello! So I am now Amelia again. This is kind of what I look like most of the time. I usually have some sort of scruffy bun. I'm not wearing makeup and I'm wearing very slouchy clothes. So as you can tell, I kind of was like out of my comfort zone with the whole Effy. But I actually really liked it. I thought it was really fun. Didn't do Saturday or Sunday because I did a working week. That's what I see as a week usually. Also, I was actually really proud of myself because I know I talked about buying jewellery for Effy. I know I talked about maybe like buying some clothes, but I didn't. And I think that's really good because it was a sort of challenge where I didn't have to go out and buy stuff because that's wasteful. I just did it what I did. I just did what I had from home, which made it more of a challenge but also fun, and also it kind of shows actually I have a lot more clothes and they're a lot more versatile than I think when you're trying to do a set style. Like I would never usually put the outfits together like that. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. I would love to do more of these videos. Let me know if that's something you'd like me to do. Just comment down below and give me some ideas, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and maybe like a share or comment, something, just so I know that is a video you would like again. Anyway, I kind of do miss, my eyes have actually been quite sore since doing this makeup. I don't know if it's just because I haven't been looking after my skin or it's the makeup, but yeah, it feels quite nice to be not wearing makeup. I never usually wear makeup like 4 times in a week. But anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you guys soon. Love you.